You've heard the term iBuyer. What is iBuyer? iBuyer is an instant buyer such as Zillow or Opendoor. They're investment companies promising you a guaranteed offer. Their objective is to make profit off the resale of your home. It sounds great. What do I have to do? Well, you take out your mobile phone or your laptop, you type in your address, and poof, you get a guaranteed offer. It sounds great, definitely convenient, but it will cost you.
All right, so how do the numbers compare selling your home on the market versus to an iBuyer? Forbes published an article where homeowners were experiencing 13 to 15% of total costs to sell their home. Now keep in mind, they don't charge a commission, but they charge a service fee of upwards to 8%, maybe even more. Secondly, they still have a home inspection, and they're going to have a repair cost amount that they're going to want you to pay for. Again, additional cost to drive your price down. Recently, I went on to Zillow and Opendoor to find out what they would offer me for my house. And my home is valued at $250,000. They both offered $235,000, and that's before their fees or their repair costs. That's $15,000 right off the top before we even got down to the process. Now, keep in mind, there's no negotiations and there's no representation for the homeowner in this process. And honestly, the service is really terrible. So if you are looking at selling to an iBuyer, yes, it's guaranteed, and yes, it's convenient. I would just compare what the open market can bear your home as compared to going to a big investment group. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions more about iBuyers or more how this relates to your situation selling to the open market versus to an iBuyer, let us know. We'd be glad to help you out. Thanks.